Top 8 cheapest vintage cars. Number 1, Buick Special. 1954 year of issue. 1954 Buick Special. 2-door hardtop for sale, $3,500. Complete original non-running car. V8 automatic on column, has title. Also have a massive collection of classic 1940 to 41 Ford parts, hoods, fenders, cabs. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 2, Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. 1961 year of issue. 61 VW Karmann Ghia convertible. No title. Sold with a bill of sale only. No motor. It has been outside in the weather for many years. Has lower body rust out. Floors are rusted out. Number 3, Chevrolet 1/2 ton short box, 1955 year of issue. 55 Chevrolet First Series 1/2 ton pickup. Clear title, not running. Has a 283 transplant in it from 40 years ago, no transmission. Very good body, but ugly paint. Floors will have some rust through in them as the rubber mats are still in it. Driver's rear fender has some rust through. Missing front bumper and driver's side running board. Windshield is missing. Just has an odd windshield sitting in the hole but does not fit. Neat old pickup. $3,800. Number 4, Chevrolet Master. 1934 year of issue. 34 Chevrolet Master 4-door sedan. No title currently. 6-cylinder, not running. Has dual side mount fenders but missing the covers and brackets. Driver's front fender is dented up in the front. Very nice body. Very clean. The wood is going bad in it. Will need most of the wood replaced. Has optional trunk on back which can be removed if desired. Nice project car, $3,800. Number 5, Austin Healey Sprite, 1960 year of issue. It's not terribly fast, the brakes are nothing special, the seats have very little padding, and there are no roll-up windows. Barn find condition is the best way to sum up this bug-eyed Sprite from 1960. And right out of jolly old England. Underneath the rear hinged hood is an original 948cc 43 HP engine with 2 SUH one-side draft carbs. On the back is a 4-speed manual transmission connected to a 4.22 rear axle. While unable to be removed from its transport pallet to be inspected on our lift, we note heavy rusting as seen from the interior flooring or lack thereof. Invasive rust has taken over the framing and has progressed to the point the rear suspension has rotted away from its mounting point. Number 6. Chevrolet Corvair 95. 1964 year of issue. This 1964 Corvair 95 Greenbrier Deluxe van is an excellent platform to begin with for a restoration project. Structurally, the van is extremely solid and there is minimal cosmetic rust as well. Unfortunately, most all of the glass has been broken out. However, we do has a donor Greenbrier that the glass can be pulled from for this van. Number 7. Austin FX 30, 1957 year of issue. For consignment, a project in the making, or a diamond in the rough. In the form of an Austin FX 30 from 1957. This car is colloquially referred to as a hack or London cab. A bomber-style saddle brown leather bucket sits with a banjo-styled large steering wheel. This wheel fronts an original metal dash in brown, which supports patina gauges and knobs and pulls and a few warning lights. A 2.2-liter diesel 4-cylinder engine powers this shuttle and a 4-speed manual transmission is on back. Lots of surface rust on the X-frame, suspension parts, and floor pans. Also, plenty of corroded parts are noted. Leaf spring suspension is all around and drum brakes are on all corners. Number 8. Studebaker Commander, 1957 year of issue. 1957 Studebaker Commander 2-door. It has been parked for decades. The engine turns over but is missing some stuff like the carburetor. However, it does rotate all the way around. It does have the typical rust issues and the interior needs restored from sitting out in the Arizona sun. All in all, a pretty neat car that wouldn't take much to make a unique rat rod or weekend cruiser or a perfect candidate to bring it back to her original glory. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot.